The Daily Revitalizing Shampoo refreshes your hair and removes impurities to maintain its resilience to damage. The Daily Rebuilding Conditioner rebuilds a protective layer around fragile hair damaged by chemical treatments. The Weekly Deep Cleanse removes buildup from chemically treated hair to promote natural shine and movement. The Weekly Rehab Cream's intense moisturizing formula helps seal damaged cuticles and renew hair's surface for brilliant shine and lasting smoothness.